What's happening? What's happening, guys? Looks like we are live now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet, guys. Welcome to another episode of ShrayTV, baby. Look at that SwftCoin, man. SwftCoin. What a pump. What a pump. You know, a lot of people were bickering about our LCX. You know, in LCX, we got out a little early, but we transferred the money from LCX to SwftCoin, and we enjoyed this pump, a full-fledged pump from here. 83% pump, man. It was amazing, amazing. We mentioned about SwftCoin on our Patreon a while ago. Look here. This was, I posted yesterday, right? Look at this. This was the top range where we came, and I said that we are going to come back down, and we did. Here, this was the original post. Look at this, where we were 0.00196, and the levels 0.0035 was the top of this level. Look what we did. We did exactly like the way in the chart. Look, right? This was the chart posted, I think, in a few months ago. Okay. Well, anyways, but another thing that we posted on Chainlink, man. Look at the Chainlink price. Chainlink went to 20 bucks, right? We posted this on the Patreon as well on the Feb of 22nd, 2023. Look at this. 20 bucks. And look at where Chainlink is right now. $20, baby. So there are many cryptos, man. I don't want to go over you know, there's a lot of stuff. If it's easy if you watch my previous video, from the YouTube. Hold on one second, okay? It'll give you you know, Arcblock and all the cryptos that we projected was mentioned right here. On 29th of June 2023, I mentioned Arcblock at 11 cents. Look at this, 11 cents. We posted where it was going to go. So between 87 cents to 127. Well, the wick, you know, I still think that we will not pass this channel. This channel right here. I think a big crash is coming for cryptos like Arcblock, Assemble Protocol. We called this pump a long time ago, right? And now I'm calling it dump for Arcblock, Assemble Protocol. I think we will come back down, and the weekly candle will close, and we will start to consolidate. We might come back down one more time before we go up, before we break this channel. So that's what I think is going to happen. Assemble Protocol, I gave on 4th of Feb. This is Assemble Protocol. This chart, 4th of Feb of 2023. I said that there will be a drop to 0.0077 level. 0.007 level drop, and then we will go up to between 12 to 15 cents here. 12 to 15 cents by Q3 or Q4. I'm a little off on the time, but here, Assemble Protocol, look at this. We did a 20x. It came exactly to my level. Exactly to my level. As mentioned in the chart. Okay, so you got the point, right? You got the point. Watch this video. I'll leave a link of this video. Very important. We have almost 10,000 views on this video. Watch this video. You will know what's up. How's everyone, man? Did you miss me? Hardik, Raj, how are you? Judd B. Well, we posted something recently. The coins that I'm bullish on right now is Celo. You know, Celo, I think, is going to pump next. And here, this was XCN. Vraj, you've been calling for XCN. I don't think it's ready yet. Look at this. I was looking this chart for you. You on my Patreon. So Yep, I don't think I'll be able to pass this. But anyways, so where was I? Celo. Celo, I think I'm bullish about Celo. There are many cryptos which haven't pumped, so Celo is one of them which is going to pump next, I feel. I called Celo right here at 53 cents. From 53 cents, it went up and came back down. I think we are going to go up to this level between $1.85 to 232. That's the range. So that's a nice pump. You know, that's almost 150 to 200% pump for Celo. Okay, that's what I expect. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves crypto, and my crypto's bro. Crypto bros, you brother. But you got to be in the Patreon, man. If you're serious about crypto, you got to be in the Patreon. Okay, this is where the real deal is. You know, I was away because I make my money by trading. I do this for a living. So, you know, I can't come every day here because if I'm focused on my trading constantly, ask the Patreons, I'm always there on my Patreon. Some of them have become like my friends. When they call me, I'm right in front of my computer just trading. But anyways, exciting times. So Arcblock's going to dump. SwftCoin's going to dump. SwftCoin, you're not supposed to see that. Well, SwftCoin's gonna dump, and what else? Assemble Protocol is gonna dump. I'm bullish about right now is Dogecoin. Let's look at Dogecoin. We sold at the top. SwftCoin. Here, SwftCoin, what I expect, you know, if you want to make, somebody wants to make quick 20%, 10%, 20%, this thing's going to pump, you know, to this level and then dump. It's not going to dump. Right now, whatever dump you see, it's on a 4-hourly. So, you know, it'll recover and it'll go up. Oh, I'm talking about the SwftCoin, okay? So, like the way you see here, it's going to go up, recover, go up to these levels, then, you know, waste time. It's going to waste time, a lot of time up there before it comes back down. Before it comes back down to this level right here. I expect it to, I'm being modest, okay? So, it'll come back down to this level or from this to here. Right there. That's our level to buy back in, but it's going to waste a lot of time up here. This is a 4-hourly chart. So if you look at a daily chart, I don't expect it to come back down until 8th of March, between 1st to 2nd week of March. I expect it to come back down. So there's a lot of room if somebody wants to just trade this. See, it's going up already. So, you know, 10%, 20%. Yeah, I would trade it and sell it like that because this is what I expect it to do. Come back down, waste a lot of time here. It'll take a lot of time for SwftCoin to go up. It'll waste a lot of time here like that. Once it comes down, it's going to grind on this channel. It's going to grind on this channel for a long time before it goes up. Okay, so it's going to do really well in the future, but it's going to waste a lot of time here. And, you know, there are some coins which might do a 10x by the time SwftCoin is ready to go up. So I am out of SwftCoin and trying to find another gem. Okay. Let's turn the music on. Brian, BCH, Shunman Lego, Jadbi, ZRX, Sobriety Television, BCH to the moon, Raj, hello brother, how are you? Hardik, Omar Perez, No Label, sub bro. ShrayTV, baby. So we looked at Arcblock, SwftCoin. Let's look at Bitcoin and see what's going on with Bitcoin. Oh, hello, 1 second. Let me look it up here. People get nervous very quickly when you post something, you know. Look, I'm gonna share this with everybody for free. Okay. Here, see, a few days ago I posted this market update on what's going on. Right. This is what I expect for Bitcoin. At that time we were 44,500 and I said we'll go up to this level and then come back down. So we are very close to the level that I was expecting. Look at this Bitcoin. This is the chart. This is what it looks like today. This is what I posted on the Patreon when it was $44,000. This is the second scenario we are looking at. And I do expect us to have some sort of correction now because we won't be able to pass. Even if we pass, there'll be a wick that would go to probably 50,000. I don't think we'll be able to pass the previous. This previous high was here, right? Right there. So it's not time yet that we pass that. So I would expect, see what I have drawn here. Right. I drew a pump and then a dump. So I do expect now Bitcoin, it might spend a few days here before coming back down. But I do expect a correction. Bitcoin could come from here to almost this level, 44,000. Between $44,000 to $45,000. That's where I expect a correction of Bitcoin. If not, what can happen is, if not, there'll be a grueling, you know, it'll just drag, it'll come back down like this, and it'll drag to between $50,000 to $52,000 like that. Okay? But if it wants to be entertaining, if Bitcoin wants to be entertaining, that's what I think will happen, because it wants to grip the audience. So I think we might see a dump to 44, 45, a pump to $52,000, between 51 to 52,500, possibly 53 the wick would go, and then smack back down to $45,000, 45.5, 45. And then we go up and waste few days at the top of the channel before heading our journey back up to between $70,000 to $75,000. That's what I think how it'll play out. Let's see. Kung Fu, my man, what do you think about Monero XMR after this dump? Lolo, hello Shray, my man. Would you check out Rare, NMR, MLN? Too many requests, brother. Are you one of our Patreons? Andre is my Patreon. Vraj is the Patreon. Hardik, no, Raj is the Patreon. There's Judd B. So I'm taking requests from people, you know, who are my Patreons first, and then after that, people who commented on my last video. You know, on this video, who commented on this video? Because I'll stop doing free stuff, man. It's high time. Hanzo, Vraj, Azark, Corbin, Jut. So these are the people commented on the video. So these are the people who will get first preference. It's a give and take, right? I already gave you a Celo in this stream. Celo is the next one that I think is going to pump. Celo hasn't pumped yet, so I would not be surprised if I see a big green candle any day, 100% to 150% weekly candle. Yeah, for Celo, I would even say 200%. It's possible, you know, for Celo. Keep an eye. And there's something else. Doge. I'm really bullish on Dogecoin. Nobody's talking about Dogecoin. What I see in Doge is a 30 to 40% pump coming for Dogecoin. Look. It's about to break out Doge. I expect it to pump to this level right here, Doge. And it'll be a straight shot, a 24-25% pump before some sort of correction. And it'll stop a little while for here. It would spend a week, but you know, pump to this level will come pretty fast for Dogecoin. You know, a 25% pump for Dogecoin. Again, it's a large cap. It could be, it would look like this. Like that. Past that, you know, we'll have a little tough time to go over this number, but they're not. After a few days of correction, you know, I expect it to pump. So 200% pump for Dogecoin from the bottom here. A 200% pump is coming for Doge. So I would say this level. Yeah, about between 21 to 23 cents. 21 to 23 cents is coming for Doge. And it will come pretty quickly when it starts to pump. It's going to come pretty quickly. Okay? So keep an eye on Doge. I'm very bullish on Doge right now. And for the next few months, Doge could pull a 10x. By August of 2024. By August of 2024, Doge could pull a 10x. Expect it to just keep on going up like that. It'll not stop. Dogecoin. Because all the cryptos that are pumping right now, they will pause. When this big boy starts moving, those cryptos are going to pause. Look at that. So when this big bad boy starts to pump, a very aggressive pump to this level, like that, and then some sort of correction for a few days, then go up, have some sort of correction here, and then make a new all-time high. You could see a Doge all-time high between, I would say, 90 cents to $1. 90 cents to $1 pretty quickly, okay, for Dogecoin. Dogecoin right now is sitting at 0.08. I don't want to be, you know, I will come back to this video in August of 2024. You know, by that time, Doge should have done a 10x. Yeah, almost a 10x. Yeah, I would say a 10x. So 90 cents to $1 is a 10x for Dogecoin from where it is right now. And when it starts moving, it's going to be aggressive. You know, a lot of people will be left behind. Again, it's a large cap, but it will move like a small cap. Dogecoin. You'll have some sort of correction, you know, because it'll form a cup and handle. I believe a cup and handle is this pattern here. See, the idea is to catch these things early, because I expect this bull market to last in 2025. So once this happens, you see a good size correction. A good size correction coming back. Then you go back up again, you know, come close to the all-time high, come back down again. You know, it'll be tough time for it to break $1. It'll be tough, but eventually it will. But it's going to spend, you know, it's going to form this cup and handle, I believe. And it's going to spend a lot of time, Doge, but it's going to be one of the first movers which goes up, Dogecoin, okay? And then it's going to spend a lot of time in this cup and handle, you know, keeps you guessing before it moves up, okay? But very bullish on Doge right now. Rudge, my birthday's in August. Looks like Doge give me a nice gift. MX Vision. How X will Floki? Yeah, I am bullish on X as well. William Carroll. Hi, Shrey. How are you, Bill? Sean Man, could we go back to 30K range, Shrey? Not happening, brother. It's done. It's finito. We did a close. So now the next target is between 50 to 52K. Have a dump from there. And then we go to between 70 to 75. That's it. I will be very surprised if we dump when I say to 30K. No, not happening. Yeah, I'm very bullish. But, you know, small dumps. Nothing goes up in straight lines. So Bitcoin looks very toppy right now. So it needs a correction. It needs to correct to back down to this level right here. Because we spend a lot of time here. It needs to correct back down to this level. This $44,000 level. Once it corrects to this level, even 45 to 44, that's the level. I would expect some sort of correction. But again, gradual, nothing. Yeah, come back down. And then we go to 50. Between 52, 53. And then smack back down. We won't be able to get out of this channel. If you see, I hope this chart is not very... looks pretty clean, right? You're able to get it, right? And then sell in May and go away. Is it May or... Yeah, April, May, I expect us to be somewhere around 70K, right? This range before a massive pullback. We will see. We will see. As we get closer, I would be able to get a precise timeline that this range, that 70K range, will come in August or in May. As we get closer. Right now, the important thing is to look at the 50K target, $50,000 to $52,000. SwftCoin just pumped 10%. The way you said, wow, sold and buying Celo. Okay. It did pump? Yeah. So it's good for trading. The next, you know, if you want to make 10%, 20%, if it comes back down, just, you know, I would buy it. Because it's going to, you know, do that for quite some time before it dumps properly to the level that I mentioned. So I am out of Swift. You know, I am into Celo right now. And we'll see what happens. And fundamentally as well, you know, why I feel that crypto is going to pump is there are a couple of reasons why I am so strongly believing that crypto is going to pump, and it's going to be a massive pump. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity because, yeah, let me show you. 7.6 trillion US debt will mature. $7.6 trillion. So US don't have $7.6 trillion that they have to pay. They have to pay its creditors $7.6 trillion. US debt is almost close to $34 trillion. But out of that, they have to pay $7.6 trillion in 2024. So how are they going to pay? There are only a couple of ways where you can pay is raise taxes or cut down expenses. But they cannot do either. They cannot raise taxes because this is election year, 2024. They cannot, cut down expenses because the government will shut down. So what they can do is refinance the debt by getting more treasuries out. So 10 trillion in US treasuries coming to the market. What does that mean? So United States is basically refinancing its debt. So $10 trillion. So how are they going to do that? Right. So people are going to buy that treasuries again. So this is a form of QE. It's directly but indirectly doing QE. So what happens when there's money printing? What happens? So, yeah, I'm not worried, man. This is, $10 trillion are going to come in the market. 10 trillion. This is going to be huge. Plus, you see the infrastructure bill, $2 trillion, $3 trillion. Biden's been passing these bills, trillions of dollars. It takes 6 to 8 months for the money to come into the market. Once the bill is passed, it takes between 6 to 8 months for the money to flow into the markets. This market is going to go so high. We are going to create one of the biggest bubble in the history. Huge, massive bubble before the crash. But when that crash will come, it'll be massive as well. But this is a 100-year cycle coming to an end. So when it ends, before it ends, it goes vertical. So imagine markets pumping. It took like 40-50 years to pump market, say about 1,000 points. That thing's going to pump the same amount is going to pump within a year. It's going to be crazy. Even the stock market is going to be crazy. So a lot of stocks, I shared a couple of stocks with my Patreon that are going to 10x in a very short period of time. Love it. If you make the right move, trust me, man, this year is very important. You cannot fuck up. Like this older gentleman, Pina, I don't know his full name. I forgot his full name. He said, you don't want your grandchildren to ask you, you're like, what were you doing, grandpa, in 2024? You had your thumb in your ass when it was boom. I think this crypto markets has still legs for another, I would say 15 to 24 months. 15 to 24 months. I was just looking at a chart which showed me the possibility of this bull market to go on until late 2025. Initially, I thought August, September was the end of this bull market. I expect it to crash, have a big crash before the election, right before the election. But we will recover after that and we'll still go higher. It's going to be an interesting time. Guys, make sure to hit that like. So many of you are there. Why do you keep on forgetting to hit that like? Hit that like. You're getting precious information, There are clients who pay $500 just to talk to me, okay? You're getting all this information for free. Make sure to hit that like. I personally paid a hedge fund guy $2,500 for an hour phone call. 1 hour phone call in 2020. I paid $2,500. Just 1 hour phone call. Next leg for LUNC, please. Okay. Yeah, I think it's done, man. I think it's done. Luna is ready, brother. You know, we predicted this move up. Yeah, dude. Look. Yeah, 618, I would say 618. Next move will be the biggest move for Luna until now. Luna basically will become like a meme coin. So I would not be surprised at this level. You know, the wicks could go a lot higher. Will it be... The question is, will it be this level or 2618? This level or that level here? Because at some point, you know, in my really crazy Luna theory, I was thinking Luna would go hit 10 cents. 10 to 12 cents. That was my expectation. A crazy wild guess for Luna. To imagine how wild it will be if it reaches even close to 10 cents. That will be crazy, crazy move. You know, going to between 8 to 10 cents. That'll be crazy. But Luna is cheap right now, really dirt cheap. I think I consider Luna as a meme coin, and I do expect it to pump massively, massive. Because again, a lot of people have lost faith in it, but the community is very strong, and I believe it will pump. But will I be, you know, be greedy? No, at 618 right here, I would probably take my profits at 618 here or 2618. I mean, I'm not very greedy, that's why. Yeah, I would take profits right here. 618 a little bit, and then at these levels. But what my chart showed, I was like, this thing's gonna go to probably 8-10 cents. Yeah, crazy. But next level, 618, brother. 618 is 0.00165. That is still a really good number. That is almost a 12 to 13x from here. Okay? You cannot chart a meme coin, right? This is a meme coin. So I just have this much history to look at, you know. And every moment counts, baby. I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. See what I mean? What I see, you see what I see? This is upside down Luna chart. 10-20 cents. Imagine this thing just goes crazy like this here, you know, comes back down like that, like that. It'll be crazy. It'll be crazy. Look at that. 10, 12, 14 cents. Yeah, it'll be nuts. But again, I treat it as a meme coin. Zabur Maruf, how are you? Thanks for the $5, brother. Hey, Shray, show RSR some love. Can you show me the chart, please? Been too long. I talked about RSR a while ago, brother. I'm bullish. Good that you reminded me about RSR. It's a great, great buy, man. I don't know. That thing's... I believe it's going to pump. It has to pump to at least this level. It's been stuck, man. I feel sorry for you. It's been stuck here. I don't know why. But I expect this pump. 200% pump for RSR. It looks like given, brother. It's not going... I don't think it's going below these levels. RSR. I think this is it. So I would not be surprised. A 200% pump. Nothing has changed in my analysis from last time. I do expect us to pump to this level. There's enough consolidation for RSR. So, a big green candle any day, brother. 200 to 300% candle for RSR. I will not be surprised. A weekly candle, 200 to 300%, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, it's a good buy right now. I feel it's a good buy. One of my bags. Okay. Yeah, it's a good project. I like it. I like it. What else? What have you been up to? I want to buy, live. I'll show you one day, a big buy. BCH. Yeah, BCH. Forgot about BCH. Okay. See, BCH, brother. I told you, right? I'm looking at this chart. The most important chart for me for BCH is BCH against Bitcoin. Okay? See a daily candle pump like that. I don't think we'll be able to pass this, right? So, by the end of the day, I believe, this daily candle would come back down. Like you would see a wick. You see these wicks right here? You will see a wick like that for BCH. And I would not be surprised if, you see for a short term BCH come back down like that. Come back to this level right here. Right there. Have some sort of pump. Try to go back into the channel and then dump back down. Final dump to this level. That's what I expect. I don't know what price it'll be in dollar terms because I'm just looking at the chart of Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. It has spent a lot of time now in this range. So now it's high time that Bitcoin Cash drops against Bitcoin at this level, or else the worst case scenario, which is a good case scenario, okay, what Bitcoin Cash does, because it won't pump right away. If it pumps, it'll go to this level right here and give it an opportunity to get in, because there will be some sort of correction here. It won't be able to pass this channel right here. There will be some sort of correction back here before it goes back up. Okay, it won't leave us. It'll give us an opportunity to get in. So I'm not worried about Bitcoin Cash, but the clear signal would be if Bitcoin Cash drops to these levels, as mentioned. Bitcoin Cash drops to these levels right here. It'll be a good buy right here. It goes back up and then crashes back down, creates a double bottom, you know, it'll be ideal to go in here, but I will start getting in right here at these levels. I wouldn't care. I won't be greedy, you know, because yeah, after that, the bull market starts for Bitcoin Cash. Okay. One of the biggest bull market, things will just go vertical. When I say vertical, that means it will be a straight shot, brother. Straight shot to the freaking moon. Okay. This thing would, you know, go vertical like that. Stop here for a little bit. And then boom. Straight up like that. Like that. It'll go up fast very, very quickly. Okay. So, yeah. Imagine how slow it is right now. Grueling. All these pressure cooker. Think about how, you know, a pressure cooker, a whistle blows. Like so much pressure is accumulated and psh, you know, you hear that whistle and it blows. It'll be just like that. All these years of accumulation, of going down, all these accumulation, that spring's going to explode like crazy, brother. Yeah, crazy. It'll be fantastic to watch Bitcoin Cash go up. I will make a video especially dedicated, you know, this could be the buy. I would buy it live to prove the point. Prince, hey Shrey, how's it going, man? Thanks for all your work. Really appreciate it. Someone bought a Block V. Any thoughts on that? What do you mean Block V? What is Block V? Do you think Tesla will pump like Doge? Let's take a look. Guys, make sure to hit that like. Do not forget. There are 32 of you and there are just 17 likes. Now 34. What is up? You want me to come live often and give you information? I need to see likes. And do not forget to comment on the video. Not on the chat, but when the live stream ends, I want you to comment on the video because that pushes this video to, you know, a lot of different people. Where was I? Milady, meme coin. Milady. Okay, Milady. What the fuck happened here? Boy, oh boy. Milady didn't act like a lady. It dropped like a fucking tart. Milady. Yeah, bro, this level here. You know, I would say a little higher because the wick usually goes a lot higher. I wouldn't mind, you know, wick to go. Let's look at the fib retracement. Yeah, see, man? Perfect. 618. Yeah, man. Milady. Oh, That's a 300% pump coming from Milady. 300%. 300 to 350% pump from Milady. So, you know, something like this. Gradual. I would not be surprised if something like that happens to Milady before some sort of correction. You know, some sort of correction coming back. It probably come out of this channel, you know, and then come back in, and then a final move up like that. Okay. Hanzo, hi Shrey, Zilliqa waiting for a big sharinga. Yes, brother. It's like waiting. Zilliqa has been like a shitcoin, man. I know. What a bad move on my part. You know, I really like Zilliqa, but what? It's been such a bad coin, man. Very bad. You know, very, very bad. This coin should have pumped by now. I'm very disappointed, you know, very disappointed. This bloody hell. And the other thing is, I don't think the money will be stuck in Zilliqa, feels like, for a long time before it starts, you know, giving good returns. When I say good returns, is like coming to 21 cents. It might do something like this. You know, let me show you what I expect. You know, because the longer it spends time here, it just fucking, you know, gets boring. So you might see a pump, a massive 150% pump, you know, go up like that. And then, you know, spend time here, come back down, spend a lot of time here before it blasts off up here like that. Okay. So it might spend a lot of time here in this fucking zone instead of giving me a nice 20x, 10x candle. I believe, you know, it's going to spend a lot of time here in this level, which you won't see that much gain, I believe, in Zilliqa. The gains will come, okay? The gains will come, but at a later stage of a cycle, because I do expect at least $1.50 for Zilliqa. So that is still good from where it is, 0.02. My levels are still the same. You know, that is $1.50 from here is like 70x, man. You know, it's still a lot of gains, but it's going to waste a lot of time here, I believe. Meanwhile, other coins, you know, if I'm into Doge could be pumping nice, you know, 3x by that time, maybe 5x by that time. So it's just, but I'm not going to get out. I am in it. So it is part of my portfolio. Fuck it. You know, I chose this, so I'll wait it out. Let's see how my patience, you know, it's building that muscle, patience muscle as well. But I do expect it to pump, you know, to these levels, you know, a pump to this level right here. So that would be a pump, a nice 100%, 126% pump, you know. 100 to 120% pump for Zilliqa. Free, just showing my appreciation. Thanks, Free. Appreciate for the $5. Akeem Dream, happy Sunday. Ignore FUD 4 token dash. Akeem IX swap. What are you talking about, Akeem? Guys, make sure to hit that like. Do not forget. Will Tesla pump with Doge? Well, let's see. Let me know if the music is too loud. I'll, lower it for you.
Last day, saw you in town. Didn't care to say hi, you were in a rush. Let's say I'll see you again. Would you care to sit down? Or was it just a crush? I see you walk down the street, holding in all the secrets, kept me waiting for the answer.
I like it, brother. Tesla looks good here.
We can do it all again. I know.
If it drops any lower, then I would not be happy about it. But this looks good right now. Even if a week goes like that, I think it's ready for a next leg up. Could possibly create a new all-time high at $500, $450 to $500 before some sort of correction, because it won't be able to pass right away because the previous all-time high is here. Wait. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I mean? Yeah. If it breaks this, then it's finito. It's going a lot lower. Then I would say breaks this arc, then it'll go down like that. Okay, so I don't think that's going to happen. Possible it goes and creates a, comes close to the all-time high or creates a new one. Yeah, I think it might create a new all-time high. To 450, between $450 to $500. Yeah, $450 to $500. Even, depending on how. Maybe, yeah, $550, $575. It's possible. Music is fine. Okay. Thanks, Bill. Spiritual Sacha Ondo. Hopefully that Nikola Corporation stocks bring some luck to swap the money. Thanks for the tips, Ray. Sure. Okay. Which was the coin that we talked about? Let's see what is pumping right now in the markets. Powerledger and BigTime.
This is the time. Look into your eyes. I look into your eyes. No longer mine.
$10-12. I don't know what will happen to Powerledger right now. It's trying to get out, but I have a feeling that I won't be able to break it and it comes back down. I don't know why. Bad feeling about this, that comes back down to this level, or even to the channel before it goes up like that to $10. Yeah, I'll have to look at it, but it looks like a 20x, you know, from here where it is 9 to $14, between $10 to $14. Powerledger, I wouldn't, yeah. It's like in this wedge. It came out of the wedge and it'll come back in. You see, if you just focus this area, it's a wedge. It came out of the wedge and it will try to get in. You know, it'll go up, come back down, and then final where the wedge ends. You know, somewhere April, May of 2025, you could see this thing $12, $10-12. Even higher, you go be super uber bullish, then we're talking about $20. Okay. BigTime. Why I'm not able to see BigTime? What's the ticker symbol for BigTime? Time. BigTime. Says big titty. Oh, big tits. Big titty. I want the full chart for BigTime. I think crypto is a lot older than see the charts here. Yeah, that's all we have. I don't know, man. BigTime could be having a massive run up, man. Looks like a 10x. I don't know. What's the market cap for BigTime? But what happens after that looks very ugly. Very, very ugly. So let's look at that. BigTime. Yeah, for the short term, man, this chart looks uber bullish. Super bullish, I would say. I don't think it goes any lower than this, and you know, you go to moon mission after that. Got to be careful with these new coins, man. You know, I get nervous. I get super nervous with these new coins because one wrong move and oh man, you are fucked big time. You know, just like the name of the crypto, you're fucked big time. One wrong move. At least to this level, pump. Oh, nice 200%, 150 to 200% pump from here. Remember that this time I met you, the way that it made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Yeah, I would not be surprised if this pump keeps on going another 45 to 50%, because it won't be able to pass this, you know. So something like this keeps on going like that, and then have some sort of correction, come back down, and then before moving up, finally break this, come back down, and then go up like that. Okay. Yeah, 2618 right here. $5 between $6 to $5. Yeah. Big time. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Sure. Check Reef. Been around since long time, Brudge. I understand, brother. How long I've been here? An hour and 6 minutes. Yep. That's all, guys. I will see you tomorrow or day after, whenever I come, if I feel like. Okay. I gave you a lot of information. Make sure to comment on the video. You know, I will look at the charts of people who comment on the video, and be part of the Patreon, because I'm there always. I will see you later. Bye.